We're now going to discuss document caching and how to persist your data in memory. Document caching allows you to add documents to a cache so they can be referenced later in a process or sub-process execution. Profile fields can be indexed for the process execution length. And this enables multi-source profile mapping for cache documents so the stored data can be referenced again and again when integrating into other systems. Advanced workflow does need to be enabled in your account if you want to use document caching in a process, so be sure to contact your account or partner manager to enable this feature. Document caching features include the Add to Cache shape. This is used to add documents to the document cache so they can be processed in a process or in a sub-process. The document cache component is a reusable component for index and key definitions that can be used through your entire process. This selects documents based on a particular profile type or selects documents that are not of a certain profile type. Add cached data is a mapping feature, and this allows you to include multiple source documents in a single map. When converting data from one format to another in a map, you may need to combine documents from different sources. To do this, you can add documents from a document cache. After selecting one source profile in the map, you can add more document caches to that. Document caches can be added to any element in a source profile. So in effect, this allows you to include multiple source documents in one map. Once the document caches have been added to the source profile, the elements can then be mapped from the document cache and the source profile to the destination profile's elements. The load from cache shape is used to get documents from a document cache to be used in a process or sub-process. And finally, the document cache lookup performs a dynamic lookup against a document cache component and retrieves particular fields from a document.